Dear students, good morning. Today I am telling you about the comment tag. In book it is given on the page number 77. Comment tag. This tag is used to give the comment in a particular web page. What is comment? Suppose you want to write something in the notepad and you want that text should not be printed in the web page. Why? Suppose यू हैव रिटन समथिंग इन द नोटपैड। आपने नोटपैड में कुछ एक ऐसा टेक्स्ट लिखा जो कि आप नहीं चाहते कि वो टेक्स्ट आपका वेब पेज में प्रिंट हो। और आपने नोटपैड में क्यों लिखा? अपनी रिमेम्बरेंस के लिए कि आपने ये प्रोग्राम किस लिए बनाया। दैट टेक्स्ट you don't want to print in the web page. In that case, that text will be written in comment opening and comment closing tag. And comment tag can be used in the two different ways I am showing you. Two syntax are here. Syntax means how to write the tag. Two syntax are here, how to write the tag. First one, you can see in bracket sign of exclamation double hyphen, then text, after text again sign of exclamation two times. Means whatever the text you will write between the sign of exclamation double hyphen and double hyphen, that text will be treated as the comment text, means will not be displayed in the web page. This is the first syntax. And second syntax, it is much easier. You have to use comment opening, comment closing, and in between comment opening and comment closing, whatever the text you will write, that text will not be displayed in the web page. One program is here, you can see. After body, sign of exclamation double hyphen, then this text will not be displayed in the browser. Means ये जो मैटर लिखा गया है, दिस टेक्स्ट विल नॉट बी डिस्प्लेड इन द ब्राउज़र, ये मैटर ब्राउज़र में प्रिंट नहीं होगा. यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग हेयर. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वे ऑफ यूजिंग द कमेंट टैग. इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस you can write comment opening and comment closing also. After that, p tag. In the last time we did the p tag, means to print the text in the paragraph. Three lines are here. These three lines will be displayed in the center, and I am showing you the browser. Three lines are here. These three lines are written in the center. And the one more thing which we are going to check in this program, comment tag. After body, first one line, this text will not be displayed. This line is not coming in the browser, you can see. One more tag is given here in this program, that is I tag. You are looking here in the second line, in the body tag, p align equals center. After that, I tag. I tag, its full form is italic. The wood are lovely, dark and deep. Suppose you want to write this text as a italic. Italic means in the cursive writing. Then you can use the italic tag, I tag. eye opening and eye closing. Whatever the text you will write in between eye opening and eye closing, that text will be displayed in the cursive writing in the italic form. You can have a look here. So in this program we did comment tag and eye tag. If you have any problem, you can WhatsApp. Thank you.